Did you know your Samsung TV remote can control your entire smart home? You're probably using your Samsung TV remote every day, but are you getting the most out of it? I'm about to share some amazing Samsung TV remote shortcuts that will change how you interact with your TV. These tips are going to make your life easier and your TV viewing experience more enjoyable. From quick access to hidden menus, these shortcuts are designed to save you time and effort. You might be surprised at just how much you can do with your remote. I'm excited to share these with you, so let's get started. If you own a Samsung TV, chances are you're only scratching the surface of what its remote can actually do. Modern Samsung remotes, especially the sleek, minimalistic ones that come with smart TVs, are packed with hidden shortcuts that can save time, improve convenience, and genuinely transform your viewing experience. Whether you're navigating apps, tweaking picture settings, or jumping between content, mastering these shortcuts will make your TV feel faster and smarter. This guide breaks down the most useful Samsung TV remote shortcuts you absolutely need to know, and once you learn them, you won't go back. 1. Understanding the Samsung Smart Remote. Before diving into shortcuts, it's worth understanding how the modern Samsung Smart Remote works. Unlike older remotes loaded with dozens of buttons, newer Samsung remotes focus on simplicity. A handful of buttons control everything through taps, long presses, and directional navigation. Most shortcuts rely on long press actions, meaning holding a button down for a couple of seconds instead of tapping it. This dual-function design is what unlocks many hidden features. 2. Instantly access settings without digging through menus. One of the biggest time savers is skipping the long settings navigation. Shortcut: press and hold the settings gear icon button. What it does, opens the full settings menu instantly. Normally, accessing advanced settings requires multiple clicks. This shortcut takes you directly there, making it much easier to adjust picture modes, sound settings, or connectivity options on the fly. 3. Quick app launch with number buttons. If your Samsung remote includes number keys, there's a lesser-known trick. Shortcut: press and hold a number button. What it does, launches a pre-assigned app. You can assign apps like YouTube, Netflix, or Prime Video to specific numbers. Once set, holding that number opens the app instantly, no need to scroll through the home screen. 4. Jump between recent apps. Switching between apps doesn't have to be slow. Shortcut: press the home button, then navigate left. What it does, shows recently used apps. This allows you to quickly jump back to the last app you were using, perfect for bouncing between live TV and streaming platforms. 5. Use voice control like a pro. Most modern Samsung remotes include a built-in microphone. Shortcut: press and hold the microphone/voice button. What it does, activates Voice Assistant. You can say things like, "Open Netflix," "Increase volume," "Search for action movies." Voice control is especially useful when typing or searching. It's significantly faster than using the on-screen keyboard. 6. Fast volume and channel control. These buttons do more than just basic adjustments. Volume button shortcut. Tap, increase/decrease volume. Press, mute instantly. Channel button shortcut. Tap, change channel. Press, open channel list. This dual-function design reduces the need for extra buttons and speeds up navigation. 7. Instantly open the guide. If you watch live TV, this one's essential. Shortcut: press and hold the channel button on some models or tap guide. What it does, opens the TV guide. This saves you from navigating through menus just to see what's currently airing. 8. Power button hidden trick. The power button isn't just for turning your TV on or off. Shortcut: press and hold the power button. What it does, restarts the TV. This is incredibly useful if your TV is lagging or an app is frozen. Instead of unplugging the TV, you can reboot it directly. 9. Quickly switch input sources. Switching between HDMI devices like gaming consoles or set-top boxes can be tedious, but not with this shortcut. Shortcut: press the source button or long press home on some models. What it does, opens input/source menu. You can instantly jump between your PlayStation, cable box, or streaming stick without navigating deep menus. 10. Enable ambient mode instantly. Samsung TVs are known for their ambient mode, which turns your TV into a decorative display. Shortcut, press the ambient mode button or long press home on supported remotes. What it does, activates ambient mode. This is great for displaying artwork, weather, or photos when you're not actively watching TV. 11. Quick access to accessibility settings. Samsung TVs include helpful accessibility features like voice guides and high contrast modes. Shortcut, press and hold the volume button on some models. What it does, opens accessibility shortcuts. This is especially useful for users who need quick adjustments without navigating deep settings. 12. Instantly return to Live TV. If you're lost in apps and want to return to regular TV, shortcut, press and hold the back button. What it does, jump straight to Live TV. This is faster than backing out step by step. 13. Smart Hub navigation tricks. The Smart Hub is the heart of your Samsung TV experience. Press home once opens Smart Hub. Hold home opens quick settings on newer models. Learning the difference between a tap and a hold here can significantly speed up navigation. 14. Multi-view shortcut select models. Some Samsung TVs support multi-view, allowing you to watch multiple sources at once. Shortcut, press the multi-view button if available. What it does, split screen between sources. This is great for watching sports while browsing or mirroring your phone. 15. Keyboard shortcut via mobile app. If typing with a remote feels slow, there's a better way. Using the SmartThings app. Connect your phone to the TV. Use your phone as a keyboard. This isn't a physical remote shortcut, but it's a powerful workaround that dramatically improves usability. 16. Secret menu advanced users only. There are hidden service menus in Samsung TVs, but be careful. Shortcut, special button combinations varies by model. What it does, opens service menu. This menu is meant for technicians. Changing settings here can affect performance or void warranties, so it's best left untouched unless you know exactly what you're doing. 16. Tips to master your Samsung remote faster. To truly get the most out of your remote, practice long press versus short press actions. Customize app shortcuts where possible. Use voice commands regularly. Keep your remote updated for smart remotes with firmware support. 17. Final thoughts. Samsung has quietly turned its TV remotes into powerful control hubs. What looks like a simple device actually hides dozens of time-saving shortcuts that can dramatically improve your experience. Once you start using these shortcuts, everyday tasks, like switching apps, adjusting settings, or controlling playback, become faster and more intuitive. It's one of those upgrades that doesn't cost anything but makes your TV feel brand new. And if you're using a modern Samsung Smart TV, mastering these shortcuts is practically essential. Using these shortcuts can save you a ton of time compared to navigating through traditional on-screen menus. You can access what you need quickly, which makes your viewing experience more enjoyable. No more digging through menus to find what you're looking for. These shortcuts have genuinely revolutionized my own Samsung TV experience. Daily viewing is now much more enjoyable and efficient. I can get to what I need quickly and easily, which makes a big difference. The overall utility of these shortcuts cannot be overstated. They transform the user experience by making it more intuitive and efficient. If you have a Samsung TV remote, learning these tips will benefit you immensely. In my final thoughts, these shortcuts are a game changer. They make your TV remote more than just a simple controller, it's a tool that enhances your viewing experience. So, I encourage you to try these shortcuts out for yourself. Experiment with different buttons and see what works for you. Leave a comment below with your favorite tip or if you have any other questions. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech hacks and reviews.